I want to do same time pirouettes, basically. Same time long arm pirouette. So if you think about, if you're doing like, say, the overhand cap here, imagine you do a right turn all the way around back to the cap. Let's first talk about what your arms are doing. You're coming down. You're going to bring your left poi to the right side of your body, and then you start turning to the right. Now, as you get to the side, yes, you're going to come up, and then you separate your arms again here so that you can come down in the side plane cap. You come around and separate. Come around and separate. The cap will go 3 times in the cap, and then on the 4th extension, we'll try the turn. So 1, 2, 3. Now this next one, here we go. Try the turn, 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 turn. One of the things I love about the T stance, which we learned way back when we were doing the sweeps, is you can apply it pretty much everywhere. So if we're turning to the right, which means you want your feet the opposite way, left foot forward. And that already puts you a quarter of the way around the turn when you're going around, right? So if you come down, and then 2, and 3, and now on this 4th one, here we go, turn to the right. And I am doing a rotation I'm lifting my foot, and I'm basically taking off on my right foot in the turn. But you could do it where you push twice. So you push, push to get there. Let's do the same thing, starting from overhand, but turning left. Now we'll turn on the left leg. So you're here like this. This is what it'll look like. They'll come to the left side and around. Pardon my skirt flashing you. I don't mean to be. Right foot's forward, left foot is back. We'll do 3 caps, and then on the 4th extension, we'll come around to the left. And 1, 2, 3, and now here, turning to the left. And let's do it again. Right foot forward, and 1, 2, 3, and here we go, turning to the left. And right foot forwards again. 1, 2, 3, and turn to the left. Now let's do left foot forward, and we'll turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, and right turn. And then connect it to the left turn. 1, 2, 3, left turn. So let's just try 1 left turn and 1 right turn. So we'll do 3 caps. Right foot, start with the right foot. And here's what happens when you come around the turn. You'll probably come with your other foot forward. But so and then you won't have to readjust your feet. You can just do your 3 caps and go. So if you move up in your room like this, right? If you watch me execute it, I'll just do 1 cap and 1 turn, then 1 cap and 1 turn, right? So my feet are basically already prepared to go the other way. But I did move this way in the space, so you got to make sure that you have room behind you. Okay, moving up, right foot forward, and 3 caps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now on the 4th one, turning left, and then 1, 2, 3. Now we're turning to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, and turning left, and then 1, 2, 3, and turning right, and now try 2, and now turn on the 3rd one, and 2, and now turn on the 3rd one, and 2, and now turn on the 3rd one, and 2, and now turn on the 3rd one, and now 1, and turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. And last one to the right. Woo!